Hey, it's Jeff with Sunnyland. Today I'd like to show you how to touch up patio furniture. Welcome to my shop. First thing we want to do is clean off any oils or residues off the frame to make sure that the paint sticks. And you know you're going to do touch-ups, so we don't want to use anything that has too harsh of chemicals or too many chemicals in it, so that it may cause the paint not to stick also. So simple Dawn and water is a good idea. Spray that on the rag, you can spray it on the chair, and then just start cleaning it up first, the area. Alright, at this point you want to have a mask on, and then goggles is good safety precautions whenever painting or using sandpaper too. So here's the spot we'll just take for an example. So we'll sand the area. You'll notice a lot of times what you thought might have been a scratch actually was just marks that are in the paint, maybe the top surface layer of the paint. So don't go crazy with it, just a light sanding. Sometimes that'll get rid of a little unsightly mark for you too. So we'll sand that pretty smooth. This is 220 grit sandpaper. That's about as heavy a grit as I like to use. If anything, if you want to go a little finer, it just may take a little longer to get it sanded down. Alright, so this is just a rag towel here. So we want to make sure the paint's coming out of the cans correctly. So we give it a couple test sprays. Sometimes you need to wipe off the little edge of the spray tip. And then simply, stand back, usually about 12 to 15 inches, and give it a little squirt in the area you're going. Try and be as direct as possible and not to go crazy as far as how much area you're trying to cover. You only want to cover the certain specific area that you're wanting to touch up. So we'll give that a couple squirts. This came out really well. Sometimes you need to come back and give it a second coat. So our little touch-up example we did came out looking really nice. Consider if you have a lot more spots, even this chair probably could use a lot more work. Consider calling a local powder coater. They can sandblast and powder coat your furniture too to make it look real nice, and then we can always provide you with slings, caps, anything else that you might need for the repairs. And thanks for watching. Catch you next time.